Good morning, you guys. So I've already done my skincare this morning, which is actually our Glowplexion line that just launched on last month on the 18th. So what you're going to see in this video is pretty much like we're building like my base shades. Every now and again you're going to see me use like our lip products, because our lip products are actually on sale this month, and oh my gosh, the amount of excitement I'm like going through right now. Oh, I love our lip products. So if you guys have not yet, yes baby, it doesn't work? Okay, hold on. All right. Sorry, I was blending a little bit of it while I was, are you okay, George? Okay. You okay? Blending a little bit while I was helping George. So we are putting on our serum foundation. Our serum foundation is by far like one of the best. I absolutely love it. Now you see that I'm not putting on any concealer under my eyes, or not concealer, but foundation under my eyes. I am putting on my foundation. I am using our Skin Solution Concealer in the shade Scarlet. And the shade is like, or not this shade, but this concealer is amazing. It has caffeine infused in it. It does have sodium hyaluronic, which will plump your skin up and look so good throughout the day. Now, it does hydrate your under eyes, so if you do have dry under eyes, of course, this is like perfect for you. And it blends out like a dream. So if you guys do have questions on this concealer, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. We are doing a whole lip sale, but I do want to show you guys our like our other products, or I'm going on other platforms to show our other products that we do have available. So if you guys do have questions, just let me know. If you want to be color matched, also like let me know if you want. George is watching the like shorts video on Disney, and it has like Elsa and what is it called? Elsa and, you're cold? It's Elsa and Anna, excuse me. Did not mean to like burp on camera. But yeah, he's watching that right now, and he I don't know why, but he loves the like shorts video on YouTube, on Disney. He does watch the movies, but he really enjoys the shorts. And this one is the where Elsa has a cold. Has anyone watched that? Let me know. I did use, if you guys want to know what blush I did use today, I'm using the shade Supple, which has like a shimmer in it. But this is like perfect for like the fall and stuff. And we are going to set my like areas that I get really bad. so funny to watch, or to listen to that even here. Oh my gosh, you guys, you guys have to watch it. If you guys have not yet watched it, you guys should. It's the Elsa one where she got like has a cold. It's so funny. We're gonna put a little bit of the bronzer on the eye. Did a little too ham, but it's okay. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I especially like the last part of it where she sneezed into that horn and it landed on Prince Hans. Did any of you guys like that? Let me know. And then I'm going to use the shade Golden for... What, baby? What? Is it done? Yeah. Okay. Give me a quick second. I'm using the shade Golden for my... Okay, so I used Golden right on the eyelid here. And then I'm going to use Golden right on the highlight areas that I need. And just those little areas that I like to highlight. So Golden for that. And then we are going to go under the eyes real quick. Put some of that bronzer down there. There we go. And then also we are going to use Quadra for our mascara. But it does also have lash primer and serum. It is also a tubing. So this does help with your lashes to grow. And I'm just saying it does work. I feel like it does because my lashes were not this long. Okay, sorry. So we are about done, you guys. So we are going to go, I'm going to go live on my Facebook beauty page that I have. If you guys do want to know what that is, I mean, let me know. But we are doing eyebrows. There is an eye essential bundle. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I'm thinking tomorrow, if I do go, or if I come back on here tomorrow to do obviously my makeup, I can do the eye essential bundle, which is super simple. Alright, you guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed it. If not, I'm sorry. But I hope you all have a good day.